Hello guys, my name is Paulina. Welcome to Plurdy channel. Today we're going to talk about GA4 important settings. So this is going to be about some basic settings that I suggest you to change since you created GA4 property. So first of all, when you create a GA4 property, implementing tracking code and starting collecting data, this is really important to extend data retention. By default, it's 2 months. What it means to you. So let's imagine that you created today, implemented, and started collecting data in 2 months, and one day you're not going to have any information, any reports about today's date. So if you would like to change the situation and you would like to extend this time of retention, you need to change some settings in the admin section. Let me show you how to do that. You are going to admin, and then in the second column, you have here data settings. And then you see here option data retention. And here you can see even data retention 2 months. You have only two options. It's 2 months and 14 months. If you're gonna have GA4 property and under Analytics 360, you're gonna have for data retention up to 50 months. But here you have only two options by default, so you can change it to 14 months and stay to reset user data on new activity. And you can click save. Okay, let me see if it's saved. Let's refresh the page. Sometimes it happens. Okay, so now you can see it's 14 months. If I'm gonna be back here, it's 14 months. So my data will be returned for 1 year and 2 months. Another important settings that I would like to pay attention to is when you have your GA4 property collecting data from website. But for example, on the user's journey on the website, they have links or they're being transferred to another referral. An easiest example is when they are buying something and then they're being transferred to some kind of website where they doing their payment and then they're being back to your website. In this case, if you will not mention this kind of domains, this kind of websites in GA4 property, uh, it will collect two visits instead of one. So if you would like to have accurate data, and it's only about one user, if you're going to have like 10,000 users, you're going to have a big discrepancy of data. So to avoid this situation, you need to go to data streams, click on your data stream, and then you are going here to configure tag settings. You click here, and here you're going to have option configure your domains. And here you are able to specify all of your domains that use this tag or that you would like to avoid from the reports and not to start new visit in GA4 property. So you can click add condition, and here you can mention, for example, some of the websites. So for example, you have some kind of bank domain that appears on their journey. I don't know, maybe it can be it always can be a subdomain of your website and so on. So as soon as you add, so for example, I will add google.com, you can add another condition. For example, it's going to be domain of my website, greatsite.net, because I have subdomain. So if it's going to appear a domain, it's going to be there. Yeah, and so on. So if you have any banker domain or some other domain that users are being transferred to, you can mention here, and then you click save. Okay, and then you click save, and then you configured your domains. Okay, so I mentioned data retention. I mentioned cross domain tracking. I mean, like exclusion, a list of domains that you would not like to steal your users. And I would like to highlight that don't forget to link your new created property, GA4 property, to your another Google product. So if you would like to uh, have this combination of Google products, you should not forget to link them. So for example, you have Google Ads account, and then in the future you would like to import some conversions, some information from some data from Google Analytics, you should not forget to link these accounts together. So here, as soon as I clicked Google Ads links, you click on the blue button link, then you click choose Google Ads account. It's going to scan what access you have to our Google Ads account, and then you can choose your Google Ads account and click confirm. Next. And here you can see that you can enable personalized advertising, means that it will be published to the linked Google Ads account. Yeah, so you should enable this, click next, and click submit. Yeah, so you can see it may take up to 24 hours for your Google Ads link to begin displaying data. That's why if you would like to import conversions, you should make this link like at least 1 day in advance. Okay, so as soon as we linked, if you have any other products, for example, Merchant Center, Ads 360 links, or you have, for example, Data Studio account and you would like to link it, you are doing it here, Search Console, and so on. And another last for this video setting that I would like to highlight, if you would like to import some data from analytics to Google Ads, for example, it can be conversions. You will not do it until you mark it as a conversion. So, for example, you have here in configure wrappers, in events, you have events collecting here in the wrappers count and so on. And then, oh, sorry, changed a bit. And here you can see that as soon as you not mark it as a conversion, it will not be a conversion in Google Analytics, and you will not see in the import settings of Google Ads account this conversion to add to Google Ads. So if you would like to import this conversion, this event later in Google Ads, you have to mark it like this as a conversion. As soon as you mark it, you can go to Conversions tab, and you're gonna see them here. Okay, so I hope it was clear for you. If you have any questions, don't forget to mention them in the reviews. Subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye, guys.